Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by removing the hardware and labeling parts, so reassembly is simple. This saves time and prevents mixing finishes. Once done, set up in a ventilated area and don protective gloves, goggles, and a respirator because solvents and dust are harmful. Next, test your chosen method on an inconspicuous spot to confirm it removes paint without pitting metal. Make sure to photograph orientation and screw placement for each piece, and have trays or paper to catch drips and chips. You now choose either a chemical stripper for intricate crevices or a heat gun for thicker coats, and apply consistently. If using a stripper, brush on a uniform layer and wait until paint wrinkles. If using heat, move the gun slowly at an angle around 6–8 inches away to avoid overheating. Once softened, scrape with plastic or brass tools to avoid gouging. After most paint is removed, neutralize any chemical residue and wipe surfaces with mineral spirits so the metal is clean for inspection. You finish by sanding with fine grit to smooth any tool marks, then polish and apply primer or protective coating to prevent corrosion. Make sure to inspect every piece for pitting or damaged threads. Tiny defects can be filled with metal epoxy or necessitate replacement. If stubborn paint remains, use a baking soda paste or extend chemical soak time, and make sure to ventilate and neutralize after. Lastly, let parts dry fully before reassembly and test function to confirm hardware operates correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.